power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wrangler High Altitude 4xe in bright white. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 30,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, command track, part-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, Sky One Touch power top, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjp.com, stock number D7754.